let me introduce myself. My name is Tasha Mira Alfa, and I will give my opinion about smoking in campus area, and I will give the results of my presentation on simple present tense.
Indonesia adalah negara dengan kasus non-perokok.
Kesehatan rokok juga dapat menyebabkan kematian. Mirisnya, jumlah perokok di Indonesia semakin tahun semakin meningkat.
Okay everyone, in the previous video, we discussed about cigarette. And in my opinion, smoking should be restricted on campus because it not only affects the smoker themselves, but also everyone around them. And cigarette smoke can also be harmful to the health of non-smoker. Understanding simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to talk about something general, something that happened repeatedly, or a general trait. A simple present tense is the most frequently used tense in everyday life. Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. Number 1, the predicate in a simple present tense sentence is a bare infinitive. This form means that the third person verb in this sentence ends in s, es, or ies. Number 2, if a verbal sentence contains a question, the word do must be added followed by the subject. Meanwhile, a non-verbal sentence begins with to be or are is. Number 3, in simple present tense sentence with negative form, you need to add the word do not or the are doesn't. If verb ends in s, es, or ies, it must be omitted. Function of simple present tense. Number 1, express emotion or feelings. The primary function of the simple present tense is to express feeling or emotion. Therefore, when you want to express your feelings through a sentence, you can use the simple present tense. Number 2, command or instruction. Simple present tense sentence also function to express command or instruction. So, we often see command or instruction using simple present tense sentence. Number 3, the schedule event. The next function of the simple present tense sentence is to state an event that will be held in the near future. Number 4, general truth. Simple present tense also have the function of expressing a truth that exists around us. Number 5, repeat action. The final function of the simple present tense sentence is to show activities or action carried out in everyday life. Verbal simple present. Ending in verbs is only used with the subject he, she, and it. There are rules for adding the s or es endings. To find out which word use the s and es ending, follow these steps. Number 1, verbs ending in the letter y and the letter before y is a vowel, then the verb is added with s. Say becomes says. Example, Sonia says everything is going to be alright. Number 2, if the verb ends with the letter y and the letter before the y is a consonant, then the verb is added with eas and the letter y is removed, becoming study becomes studies. Example, Budi studies so hard for the national examination. Number 3, verbs that end with the letter O, C, H, S, H, X, and Z add es to the end of the verbs. For example, wash become washes. Example, my mom washes the dishes every night. Then to determine when to use do and when to use does is. Do is used with the subject I, you, they, and we. Does is used with the subject he, she, it. An example of a simple present tense sentence that use verbal formula rules is we go to school by bus. Kami pergi sekolah menggunakan bus. She goes to school by bicycle. Dia pergi ke sekolah menggunakan sepeda. My friend lives in Bandung. Temanku tinggal di Bandung. We don't live in the city. Kita tidak tinggal di kota. Do you know her name? Apakah kamu tahu namanya? Nominal simple present. Number 1, to be is used for subject I. Number 2, to be is used for the subject he, she, and it. Number 3, to be are is used for the subject I, you, they, and we. Adverb of frequency. The recognize a simple present tense sentence, you can look at its time adverbs. Because the simple present tense is a sentence that indicates recurring event and general truths. The time adverbs commonly used in a simple present tense are as follows. Number 1, always, selalu. Number 2, usually, biasanya. Number 3, sometimes, kadang-kadang. Number 4, often, sering. Number 5, seldom, jarang. Number 6, never, tidak pernah. Next example of sentence that use the formula to be are. Number 1, my mother is a teacher. Ibu saya adalah guru. Number 2, they are not from the same class. Mereka bukan dari kelas yang sama. Number 3, are you Mr. Hadi? Apakah Anda Pak Hadi? Number 4, is she a student? Apakah dia seorang pelajar? Use of simple present tense. Number 1, recurring event. A recurring event is an occurrence that occurs regularly or is a habitual practice. It is usually indicated by a time adverb. Example, I eat 3 times a day. Saya makan 3 kali sehari. Our class start at 9 a.m. Kelas kami mulai pukul 9. I am a doctor. Saya adalah seorang dokter. Number 2, general truth. Explaining a fact or general truth that is undeniable. Example, the sun rises from the east. Matahari terbit dari arah timur. Rabbit eats vegetable. Kucing makan sayuran. Number 3, expressing feelings, emotion, truth, or possession. An example, I am excited about this good news. Saya senang mendengar berita baik ini. A cat has 4 legs. Kucing memiliki 4 kaki. She is so beautiful. Dia sangat cantik. Number 4, giving order or instruction. An example, pour sugar to the glass of water and stir it until they mix. Tuang gula ke dalam segelas air dan aduk hingga tercampur. Charge battery approximately 8 hours until the battery icon is fully charged. Isi daya baterai selama 8 jam hingga icon baterai terisi penuh. Number 5, future condition. Expressing a future condition, but the time is already scheduled or close to now. Example, the birthday party start from 7 p.m. Pesta ulang tahun akan mulai pukul 7 malam. I arrive at home at 6 a.m. Aku tiba di rumah pukul 6 pagi. Simple present tense pattern. Number 1, first person singular. First person in the first person point of view, referring to the speaker or writer. In the first person singular, the pronoun used is I if you are the subject, me, my, or mine. If you are the object and indicate ownership. A common situation where the first person singular is used is when you want to introduce yourself or explain yourself. Example, if it is the subject, my name is Hana. I live in East Jakarta. Example of simple present tense when the object is Anja, send me later. Example of simple present tense showing ownership. This is my car. Number 2, first person plural. The pronouns used for the first person plural are we as the subject, us as the object, and ours or ours as the possessive. However, us and our or ours both mean we and us. So knowing which to use requires understanding the context of the sentence. Example, as object, we are from Bandung City. Example sentence as object, he tell us about old house story. Example as possession, she is our daughter. Number 3, second person. Second person refers to the perspective of the second person or the person we're speaking to. The pronoun used in the second person singular is you when the subject is spoken and your or yours. When it's spoken just like we, our, or ours, you, your, yours. Also means you or singular or you guys plural. The way to understand this is by understanding the context of the conversation. Example, as subject, you are the best student in the class. Example, show ownership. This is not mine. This is yours. Number 4, third person singular. The pronouns used the third person singular are he, she, it. This situation occurs when we are talking about someone who is not present among us. Example as subject, she is a banker. Example sentence as object, don't scream in front of her face. Example sentence showing ownership, this is Annie's book. Third person plural. The pronouns used in the third person plural are they, them, their. This situation occurs when talking about more than one person or two or more who is not present among us. Example as subject, they are from the same class. Example as object, some of them are from Bekasi. Example sentence showing ownership, their painting is so amazing. Example of positive, negative, and interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Number 1, simple present tense positive. He is a teacher. She likes burger. Number 2, simple present tense negative. He is not a teacher. I don't like burger. Simple present tense question. Number 3, is he a teacher? Does she like burger? And then example of simple present tense question. Number 1 is they blah 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 for 3 hours every night. Okay, they is the subject and the verb is not followed by s or es. So the correct answer is A, study.